Hi, I'm Kris I'm an illustrator and animator and the guy behind Sky High Octopi. In a previous life, I worked as a graphic designer for over 20 years, and I found if you do anything long enough without a genuine passion or sense of fulfillment, eventually you burn out. That's exactly what happened to me. So I had a change in direction. I went back to university, earned a first class degree in animation and illustration, followed that up with a master's, and now I specialise in innovative and expanded illustration. Did you know that the word illustration comes from the Latin illustra, meaning to illuminate, make clear, to cast light on? So at its core, illustration's always been about communication, making ideas visible, and that concept has evolved with new technologies. So now my work is a blend of traditional methods, digital tools, producing visuals across print, digital, animation, and mixed reality. The godfather of pop art, Eduardo Pelosi, once said something along the lines of inspiration comes from where you find it. For me, that's with subcultures, esoteric themes, and anything with a strong sense of authenticity. This channel is going to be used to document my process. I'm going to be sharing new software that I'm using, how I learn it, how I integrate it into my workflow. Also, I'd like to share influences and cool things that I see. Think artist spotlights, art books, comics, documentaries, all about creatives with authentic voices, which I think is really important in a world that's increasingly becoming more ultra-processed and artificial. Also, if you'd like to see more of my work, I'm on Instagram and TikTok at Sky High Octopi, if you're not sick of me already. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you soon. Keep it real.